when we had just discovered this amazing sea monster. There it is. It's a sea monster. At the bottom of the ocean, so they're at the bottom. Lola said she wanted to take it for a ride in her cart. That's her cart. That's the monster. So now, you can repeat after me. Now your turn to read, okay? So you can speak now. And yesterday, just when Marv and me were creeping up on the most strange universe, Lola's rabbit, there it is, rabbit, made a squeaking noise. Squeak, squeak, yeah. And he ran off. Okay. So I'll read this picture. So this time I said, today, Lola, just for once, I want to play with Marv by myself, on my own. You see, we are inventing a very inventive invention. What is it? Says Lola. It's top secret, I say. What's it top secret for? Says Lola. It's